Hello everyone, and welcome to Jumperman Tech, where we specialize in HVAC but do everything DIY. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a Megohmmeter and O-mount a single-phase compressor. Thank you to everyone tuning into Jumperman Tech. In today's video, we're going to use a Megohmmeter and O-mount this compressor. If you look closely, we can see that one of the terminals burnt out, and this is a perfect opportunity to check if this compressor is still good. In today's video, I'm going to be using the SUPCO M500 Megohmmeter. This is an affordable option for all technicians. First things first, we're going to make sure that the power is off. So we're going to turn the power off for the breaker. Now that the power is off, you want to use your meter and double check, make sure there's no power. Safety first. Then we're going to want to isolate the 3 pins here. So if you want, take a picture so you make sure where to put all these back. So we're going to take a needle nose, pull it out, and isolate the pins. The way we use this meter is super simple. There's only one button. So one lead is going to go to ground. And you want to ground that to the compressor's casing. So let's see. I'm going to put it right here. You might want to sand down some of the paint to make sure you have a good connection. So one to ground. And let's start with one terminal. We're going to hold the button down and we're going to see what light comes up. So I pressed it on, it says above 1,000 megohms, you're good. So below 100, it's caution, below 30, you're bad. So next we're gonna check the next terminal. Hold it down. See, only the on button comes on, so we're above 1,000. Then we're gonna check the next one. Hold it down, just on, so above 1,000 megohms once again. There is no light, and in this case, we are good. If we had a reading, once again, one below 100 to 30, it's a caution, and between 30 and below, you're bad. In this case, this is a good compressor, and I want to prepare these wires, and that's pretty much it. If anyone found this video interesting or helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe as I come up with new videos every week, and I'll catch you all next time.